Okay, so in this problem, we're ordering numbers from least to greatest or greatest to least. So in this problem, I took these numbers here. Least is menos, greatest is más. So the number that is the least is 22, then 30, then 34, then 41, then 67, and then 72 is the largest, the greatest. Número más grande. So, número, this is the number that is menos, the least, or greatest, más. So here, though, it puts greatest. So we have más a menos. So now when I look at these numbers, which number is the greatest? 90 is the greatest, so it would go at the top. Next, so 90 is finished. Next I see 88 is número grande. The next number that is big is 75. So 75. Then the next number that is big, so we have 47 and 47. So those two can go together. And then we have 32. So you just have to look. See, this one is least to greatest. So make sure you pay attention to which order you're going in. For this, you're putting these integers on the number line. So here for number 1, here this says positive 7. So I came over here to positive 7 and I put a dot above it. Then it says positive 10. So I came all the way over to positive 10 and put a dot. Positive 12, here's positive 12 and a dot. Then I have positive 4. So I came over here and put this point, this dot. Then negative 8. Negative 8 is over here. So that's why I put the point here. Negative 1 is right here. So in this, the farther we go to the left, these are menos. These are the least. And over here is más or grande. So over here are numbers that are greater. Over here, this is the numbers that are less. So greater and less than. So the same thing I would do here. Positive 10 is right here. So I would make a dot. 2 is right here. Make a dot. Negative 12, though, negative 12 is over here. It is less than. So I would keep on going. Next, I would do negative 11, negative 2, positive 8, negative 8. So you would mark all the numbers by putting these dots. Okay? From least or less than to greatest. So menos a más. Okay? Next, same thing, except for now we have integers. So positive 18 is the greatest. Negative 7 is the least. So our negative numbers, remember, the farther we go to the left, the smaller the number is. The farther we go to the right, the greater the number is. So here we have our different numbers. So when I'm looking for which one is the least, I'm looking for my negative numbers. Negative 4 or negative 12. Negative 12 is the smallest. Then I would do negative 4, then positive 2. Bigger than positive 2 is positive 5, then positive 13, and positive 17. So that's how I would do it. Least to greatest or greatest to least. Look carefully at your numbers.